how to create t-shirts designs to sell. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create your own t-shirt design. For today's video, we're going to use this platform called canva.com. In Canva, you have the freedom to design anything you want, from docs to flyers to Facebook posts. As you can see here, you can create presentations, whiteboards, business cards, invitations, logos, posters, and many more. And then we're going to create our own t-shirt design using Canva. And then after creating, we would simply download it. And then we're going to printify, and I'm going to show you how you can use your design to create t-shirt designs that you can sell. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick a template. Now, as you can see here on the bottom, we have different template sizes over here. You can choose any size that you want. But as a tip, I suggest that we use the biggest size that we can create so that the image quality of our t-shirt designs won't degrade when you print it on t-shirt. Now, what we're simply going to do is we're going to click on custom design. Then we're going to type in 5000 by 5000. 5000 by 5000 pixels is the biggest size that we can create in Canva. Now we are simply going to click on create new design. And now we are redirected to this page over here where we will edit our design. Now as you can see here on the left side, we have the elements, uploads, and text. We will use these three items over here to create our own t-shirt design. Now the first thing we're going to look at is the elements. Under elements, you can use shapes, graphics, stickers, and even photos to create a design for your t-shirt. And if you already have a photo that you want to use, you can simply click on upload and then upload your idea. There's also text over here where we can see that we have a lot of different font styles that we can use. And of course, we can use this to create a t-shirt design. Now going back to elements, you can simply click on the search bar over here and then type in the keyword of the theme that you want to create a t-shirt on. For example, I want to create a t-shirt based on coffee. Simply going to search the word coffee. And as you can see, we have a lot of options over here. We have graphic designs and we have photo. Now what we're going to click on for today is the graphics over here. Now we have a lot of options that we can use, and you can combine the different elements, and then you can combine the different elements to create one big picture. Or if you want, you can just use one picture. Now, for example, we're going to use this picture over here. We're simply going to click this and then drag it into our screen. And we can edit it just like this. By dragging it around, we can reposition our image. We can drag our elements by clicking it, and then we can move it around our canvas. For now, we're going to put it on this edge. And I also like this element over here, so we're going to drag this into our canvas. We can make it bigger by clicking on the edges, just like that. We can change the size to bigger and then to small. We can make it centered like this. Then I'm going to put this also in the center, just like that. And we can adjust it once more. And as you can see, we have created a very simple t-shirt design that is about coffee. Now we're going to do another topic. For example, we're going to search for forest, like that. And then we're going to wait for it to load. And just like earlier, we have the photo option or the graphic options. We're going to click on the graphics. And then we are able to choose any design over here that we want. We could have this design just like here. We could add this design. And as you can see here on the top, we can actually change the individual colors of our image, just like this. We're going to click on this, and then we can change the specific colors of our forest design. We can change this color into color pink. Then we're going to change the other green color over here on the top into a red one. And as you can see, the color of our forest has been changed. I'm going to make it lighter, change this other color into a lighter color also to make it fit. It's like that. And then just like that, we were able to edit our element. Now to complete this, I'm going to search for ground. Then we can choose from the graphics over here a ground. We have a lot of ground options that we could choose. I'm going to choose this one, like that. And I'm going to drag it over here, make it fit our element just like that. And then we can adjust this to the center of it. Then we can also adjust this. And then the next thing we can do is we're going to click on the text. And then we can click on a font that we like, that we think that would fit this image. For example, this one, I'm going to choose this one. Simply going to drag it over here. Then we can name it 3. We could also change the color of our text over here by clicking on the text color. Then we could adjust the different text like this one. We're going to do that for now. Then we can rearrange this into our design just like that. And there we go. We have this pinkish simple design that we have created. Now, if you don't want to use elements, we can simply delete all of this. Then we can choose a text that we like. For example, this. You can simply make this bigger, and then you can edit text over here, make it into a different message, or we could choose more options over here, like this font over here. You're invited. You can change the text into any message that you want, like you are amazing, just like that. You can make this bigger, make it centered, and just like that, we have this simple text-only design. And when you're finished creating your simple t-shirt design, we could simply click on share over here, and then we're going to click on download. And if you have premium version, you're going to need to click on transparent background, because when they print this design into a t-shirt, the color white background will be included. And of course, we don't want that. And if you don't have a premium version of Canva, you can simply go and search into the internet, different websites that you can use to remove the backgrounds of the image that you have. We're going to select a file type. We're going to use PNG because it is best for complex images and illustrations, but you could use other file types that you want also. We're simply going to click on download. And then after downloading our design over here, we could simply go to Printify, which is a dropshipping company where we can edit our different products. As you can see here under the catalog, we have a lot of products like t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and we also have accessories over here on the sides, and then mugs, canvas, posters, and many more. And we're going to focus on the t-shirts design. We're going to click on this option over here, and then we're going to choose one of these options over here. We're going to select this one. Then I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to click on start designing. Now over here, we will be able to edit our t-shirt design. We will be able to import the design that we have created over here into this editing page over here. I'm simply going to click on add designs from my device because we have downloaded the image. Then I'm going to upload our image. And as you can see, our design is now in our canvas over here. I'm going to enlarge our image to make sure it's big, just like that. And then after putting this here, editing where you want to put it on, I'm simply going to click on save product. And then we would be able to see different mockups over here, just like this image. And this is what our t-shirt would look like with the design that we have just created. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create your own t-shirt design using Canva. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.